In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eBay variation listing for beginners. We're going to walk through the process of editing a draft listing and setting up a variation so your product options are organized clearly for buyers. This is especially useful when you're selling an item that comes in different types, styles, or other selectable options. To begin, go to eBay and click on Sell. This will take you into the seller area where you can manage your listings and drafts. Once you're there, click on Drafts. This is where any unfinished or saved listings are stored, so if you've already started a product listing, you can pick up right where you left off. Next, select the listing item you want to work on. Make sure you choose the correct draft, especially if you have several products saved. Once the listing opens, look for the variations section. This is the area that lets you create different options under one listing instead of making separate listings for each version of the same product. In the variations section, click Edit. This is where you'll define the product attribute you want buyers to choose from. For this example, click on Cleat Type. eBay often provides attribute fields like this depending on the category you're listing in, and choosing the right variation type helps keep your listing accurate and easier to shop. After that, click on Rubber. This means you're selecting rubber as one of the variation values for the Cleat Type option. Be careful here to choose the option that matches your item exactly, since this affects how the listing appears to customers and how they make their selection. Once that's done, click Continue. This moves you forward and saves the variation choice you just made. From there, click on Upload from Computer. This step is typically used to add the image or images connected to that variation, helping buyers visually identify the correct option. If you're uploading files, make sure they're clear, well lit, and match the variation you selected. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That will store your changes and return you to the listing workflow. And that's it. You've now updated your eBay draft with a variation option, which can make your listing look more professional and much easier for buyers to navigate. If you're creating listings for products with multiple choices, taking the time to set up variations properly can improve the shopping experience and help reduce confusion.